Another year, another iPhone launch, but this year's global launch was a bit sour for some fans. Apple did not have any iPhone 7 Plus models in stock at stores, and Apple also announced that stores would not be carrying the smaller iPhone 7 in the jet black color. The diminished supply led to diminished lines at stores around the world, and some superfans that waited for days said they were disappointed that they didn't get the model they wanted. The larger 7 Plus was the popular one to get this year because it has a better dual lens camera. Apple said it sold out of the Plus during pre-orders. One person in line at New York's flagship Apple store left empty-handed after waiting for 2 weeks, all because they didn't have the one he wanted. Meanwhile, Samsung Note 7 owners are still dealing with the disappointment of not being able to use their phones because they will explode. The U.S. Consumer Product Safety Commission issued an official recall on Thursday for all Note 7 phones. Samsung announced it would have replacement Note 7s in stores by Wednesday, September 21st. But it turns out people are ignoring the warnings and still using their Note 7 phones. Data collected from the app development company Apptelligent saw activity from Note 7 phones continue unchanged. I know phones are an important part of our lives, but come on, just ask your carrier for a replacement phone. When the fixed Note 7s do arrive, you'll know if it has a safe battery by looking at the blue S sticker near the barcode. That's it for this Tech News Update. I'm Bridget Carey. You can stay on top of the biggest stories at cnet.com/update.